make a unicorn horn bath bomb.
So this is the one that we're going to make today. The unicorn horn bath bomb. Hey, can you show me? So this is the shape that we're going to make. And these are all the ingredients. So we have, what's this? Kuya?
Bath bomb mixture. Baking soda.
Yeah. And then the
Makeup.
different colors that we're going to
And
use. So we have yellow,
glitter.
blue, and pink. And we can decorate it with
stars.
the bath confetti,
Stars.
star shape, and also the body glitter and the essential oils. It's all ready. But if we're going to make two different colors, so we can divide it into two, and then we can use either blue on the other side and pink on the other side. So are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
So first we have to prepare all the dry ingredients. So
this one and this
we'll
one.
put this one first. Half for you, Kuya, and half for Lian.
I don't know if it's half.
So you can get the measuring cup. Yeah. Can you please get it, Lian? The red one. So what color are you going to use, Kuya Jans?
Blue.
So you can have the blue and then you can have the... try to put it here.
Don't put it.
Don't spill it. Huh?
Don't put it. Put it in here.
Where's the scissor, Lian?
I can't open it. I got a kitty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Don't put it in yours yet.
Yeah.
Just gonna open it. Okay. Put all of it in here. No. That is all mine. Okay, let's open it. There you go. It's open.
Okay, put it here first.
All of it?
Yeah. So that's the bath bomb mixture.
No. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's not really exciting.
All of it in there.
Can you get the smaller one like this, Lian? Maybe the 1/4 or the 1/2.
Here, all of it.
The smaller one, the yellow one. Orange? Okay, you get it. Oh, that's pretty
No.
clear.
Okay, there you go.
Mama, small more.
Yeah.
Oh, sit mo eh. Nalipad it, Lian.
There.
Maybe it's... Oh, put it down. No. So I don't know how. See, the I transfer here. Use the spoon, please. Okay, more. I think it's 1/3 every...
There you go. Yeah.
No, like...
Put all of them in there?
Yeah, but 1/4. Do you still have the other one, Lian? I think it's 1/4. 1/4. You check that if there's another...
I found that.
Sige lang, half na lang. Okay, sige. You start, Kuya.
Put it?
Yeah, I think we need only 1/4.
Boom.
Color.
Okay.
Please, can I? This is
Yeah,
all
put it
mine.
here, though.
This is
Put it
all
here,
mine.
put it here first. Let me see it. Oh. Yeah, I think that's 1/4, 1/4.
Done.
Okay, put it there. Okay.
Okay. Now.
So the next one, we have to put this one. So half for you, Kuya, and half for
Baking
Lian.
soda.
Yeah.
So I put that all in here?
Yeah, here.
Here.
I'm mixing it.
Here.
I'm gonna mix it. No. Rough scissors, of course. This doll wants just you open it. You don't need to do it.
There.
Okay, try to put it here first so that we can
Yours?
divide it properly. Yeah, here.
I'm gonna mix mine.
Okay. Open it.
Okay, let's mix.
It's easier if you only use one color because you can pour all the ingredients in one container, but this one we try to divide it into two. So, do it here, please.
Open it. Boom.
That way. Okay.
So, I'll give Lian half. So, I think it's 1/4, so you need one each.
So,
Sige, half it kaya, yeah. More. Okay, the rest will give it to Lian.
wait.
Okay, we just do it
There
like
you go. Yay.
that. Okay, yeah. Then mix it first,
Mix it.
slowly. Oh,
Use your hands.
Lian, closer. So after that, you can add the color you
One.
wanted. So,
Blue. Here.
the Jans will use the blue one, yeah. Then can you give me the instructions, please? Okay.
Okay, mix
So
it.
Jans is going to use the blue color and Lian is going to use the pink color.
Here.
So
It's
next
a little
is we
banana.
have to
Open it.
add 1/8 teaspoon of the makeup powder in the color you choose. So 1 pack is
Enough.
good as 1/8 teaspoon.
Okay.
So you can
So
pour all
just
that
put all of
color
it?
there, yeah. Also Lian.
I need my scissors.
Just dump it.
And then
Yeah.
I just dump all of it in. Yep, put all of it.
About Lian?
This is going good. I need more scissors. There we go. This will be good.
I think that's enough.
I need all of it in.
I think that's good, right?
Okay, then try to mix it first.
Okay, and then mix it up. Wow, the basketball.
Oh.
Look at it. It's not pink. It's not pink.
It's blue.
Right?
Mix
That's
it all.
Look at mine.
Blue and pink.
And
And then
now,
after that,
we need to make it all
we
blue.
will add 7 drops of
This one?
essential oil. So just use maybe just 4 lang na.
4,
Yeah,
like.
4 for you and 4 for Lian.
Okay.
Should be 10 happen. But it's
How many?
4 drops.
4
na lang.
drops?
Yeah.
Look at mine,
It should be
guys.
3 point.
Look at mine. So
You know how to do it?
1,
Do like that.
2,
3.
3, 4. Okay.
But then,
Mix it.
you do like this, Lian. Okay. Closer. Bring it closer.
We mix it.
Yeah. 1,
1,
Okay.
2,
Essential.
3,
3, 4. Okay.
5.
Ay, 5 ito. Sige lang. It's okay.
It's
Can
fine.
I put one more?
No, enough na.
Put in for 5.
Look at that. Look at that. Okay.
I think I mixed it.
Look, it's so pink.
Now, no,
Mine
there's
is
no more
okay.
white. It's just blue now.
Mine is only pink.
What is this?
Look, mine is only pink.
Okay.
And
I'm
the
done mixing
only
it.
we need container and this
Now,
And then after that,
one.
we'll add the water.
water here.
Wait, wait.
I'm excited.
Mix it. Keep on mixing it, Liam.
Teaspoon. So we need 1/4
1/4.
to 1/2 teaspoon of water. So how much
This?
is that? That's 1/2 kuya. So you just add 1/2.
What are you doing?
Yummy.
Huh?
Don't
Wait.
eat it.
Don't eat that.
It's not edible. So just pour. Pour it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Whoa.
How about
It's
Lian?
fizzing
Mix
already.
it.
Mix it.
Yeah, we can, because
This
it says here we can use one.
Oh, maybe we. Whoa.
1/4 to 1/2.
You look, it's growing. It's growing.
Yeah, mix it.
Mix it. Mix it fast.
You can use your hand.
Use your hand now.
You can do like that.
Okay. Like this.
But it's look like it's not enough, right? But it says here in the instructions we can add only 1/4.
Yeah, I'm using a spoon.
Water 7 with 1 hand.
Squeeze it. Cut it.
Just make it.
That's so cool.
Look like
Maybe because it
rocks.
was baking soda and it had those.
Do this. Do this.
Is that
Do
enough?
this.
No? We can add more.
More? Water?
Me first. Me first. This.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow!
Mix it.
Wait, I'll put some on my spoon. What should I gonna do? And then wait.
Look at mine. It's so squishy. Oh, I'm gonna definitely lose my hands.
You can sit also the other one.
Okay. I'm losing my hands to do it.
Yeah.
I don't want to use my hands.
It's fine. It's too squishy.
Closer here then. You can see yours too.
Squeeze it, Liam.
Pink
Squeeze
and,
it.
pink and blue makes purple. Look at mixing.
Cut it.
Just do this. Do this.
Okay.
Yeah, look at mine.
Okay, I think it's
It
done.
looks like sand.
But check, it's not so wet. Ay, wet naman ay. Sige. That's why it's nice if you can fill it with yan.
It's wet. It's
There
wet.
you go.
It's cold.
And then you have to put it here. And
Okay.
shape it in the molder.
Me first.
Okay, Liam can do this.
Okay, can I put all
And
of
first,
that?
sprinkle. If you want to add the confetti now, you can add.
Oh,
That one.
confetti? This
So
one?
first, sprinkle a small amount of confetti into the mold.
This one?
We need to wash our hands. Wait.
You can put some molder in it. So you can open this one.
It's easy.
Mm.
Can I
Okay.
do mine first? Can I put some of it in mine? Can I put
So
some in
you can
mine?
put some of it here.
So.
This? Here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not all. Just a little bit.
I put a little bit in.
You go.
While adding
I put a little bit in there.
Maybe just keep on mixing it.
Hey, Jess have more sauce than me.
About the
Okay, you can put.
the glitter now, you can.
No,
No, that's
No, Jess have more than me first. It's like
Where do we put the? It's okay. I won't use all of it. Where do we put the glitter? Here.
no, you can sprinkle it here a little bit too.
Okay.
So that on this side, yeah, open it.
Can
Scissor
you
Liam.
help me first?
This is scissors. Okay. How to open the bag is you need to cut it. This way.
Okay.
Oh.
Sprinkle a little bit.
Turn it if you want to.
Maybe give it to mommy. Put it in my hand, please.
Oh.
So that's enough. You can sprinkle it here.
Okay. Hey, Liam makes mine.
It's fun.
Okay,
It's
so
fun.
just like that. So we'll see what's there. So, and then try to put na maybe
Half
half
for Liam, half for
half
Liam.
for Lian, half for Jens.
Can you put it
Okay.
here?
Okay, yeah.
Or here? And then Jess put. I need more.
Wait, let Lian finish first. Okay, add more. Make it full until here.
Okay.
No.
Oh, yeah, too much.
Half for you, half for Peja.
You said put all of you.
No, here on the
It's
side.
top.
Mm.
There, okay. My turn?
Yeah, put the sauce here for
My
the
turn?
side.
My turn now?
Full it salian. Make it full sa ba?
Right here.
Mm. Hold it so that slowly lang.
Okay, I think that's good now.
Mm.
I want glitter. I want glitter on my side.
Put.
Mm.
Oopsies.
Okay, I'm gonna put some on me. Okay.
Okay.
You don't put more, Leon.
I like it.
Oh, now my hand's sparkly.
It's okay. You wash your hands.
Of course.
Okay, and now I just put some.
Oh, because I like it.
Slowly lang lang.
What are you doing? Why are you mixing it?
Whoa!
Don't put it in there.
That's because of the baking soda.
Whoa.
Science.
Okay, I will hold it. That you will not spill it.
Excellent. Look at these
Press it with
ones.
your hand. Now, you can use your hand.
Can I use mine?
Okay.
Yeah, more.
Why are you getting mine?
It's going to help you.
Okay, let's put some in here.
Parang mas thick.
Okay.
Say more. You can add more.
Yes, some X's.
Yan, enough na mo yan. You're mixing the colors already, Leon.
Yeah, Leon.
Okay, you're touching the judges and you're touching yours.
Hey, Leon.
No. Nagsago na na.
Okay.
Can
You have red more.
Tama sa Leon, we will add here more. We don't have enough pink yet.
I put more pink tonight?
Kung magmugod mo dapat haong.
There, that's good.
I need more. I want to
Yeah,
put
Leon, you add more yours.
Can I do it?
Okay.
Just a lot.
Okay.
Please first.
From mine?
Okay, I think it's good now.
No, we need
Almost,
more.
yeah.
All of it?
Yep.
Okay, I guess I'll use all of it. I'll use all mine.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Can I dump it?
Yeah. Put it here.
I want me.
Zipper.
Okay, and then get the glitters, Leon, and
Okay.
with
Okay, put some in my pink. Put some in my
With the
pink. Put some in my pink.
There.
Oh, no, right here.
Leon used all of hers, so I'll use all of mine too. Oh no, Mama, you're gonna squeeze that one. There. Okay. Dump it.
Wait.
I'm gonna put my hair.
Haong.
Only
Leon,
help
give me the last pink there on your spoon. I think na please.
Okay, let me dump mine.
Dapat.
Can I dump mine?
It's so full.
I think that's good.
my pink. My kitty hair rolled.
No, that's enough. It's so
My
full.
kitty pink can do because she
Give me
wants
stars and
Stars.
to. Look,
the stars then, yeah. And decorate it with that.
here's more stars.
Oh, Leon's is like is the same color with the stars.
Because I love pink. That is what I do.
Okay, let's put some more stars. Like half mine. Okay.
I need some.
Diyan mo na, dagan na nag-start.
That's so many.
You
It's
can.
over.
Okay.
We're over now.
I think that's enough.
Remove some of the stars.
Remove some of the stars again. Okay, that's good. That's good stars.
My stars are beautiful.
And then the glitters. And we will let it dry.
Don't you need more?
No. Okay.
Try.
Make it bigger. Put it in there then. Make it great, but we need
Whoa! I'll put some red stars in there. Just look what happened when you put, look.
Whee!
Look what happened in the star.
change it some more.
See it?
Both sides na.
Jen, look what happened when I put the star in. This way.
I think this will
Jen, look what happened to the star.
not stick anymore. Yeah.
Look at the star, guys.
The other sides now.
Look what happened to the star. See? When it
think that's
goes
good
red.
now.
See?
So it's done. So we have to let this dry for about 1 minute.
1 minute?
And then we can start removing it from the molder.
And then I got this.
Oh,
So
1
we
minute.
have to let it dry
got water
on a
weddies.
flat surface. So
That.
no, maybe we have to. How are we gonna place it?
Now,
So
1 minute.
is done. So we'll try to
Flip
finish
it.
this one.
Flip it.
So you have to do like this, yeah. How should do it?
Oh, so we need to like do this.
Are you sure you can do it? Or Mama will do it.
Oh, the stars came off.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh,
'Cause it's only us who wants to put star. But it's fine. We put star a while ago before we put the
Yeah,
mixture.
it's fine sometimes.
So we can just add this one when we have to use the bump.
Bath bomb.
It's okay.
And then just,
It's always
I hope it will not break.
yeah.
big. It's a beautiful bath bomb. It's a unicorn on bath
It's
bomb.
hard.
It's hard.
Oh, because people are doing it way too.
You like that, yeah?
Yeah, maybe I'll do it here.
Oh, wow, it was so.
It's hard to release it. correct and become successful.
Okay.
Able to make the shape nicely. Oh, it's so hard.
I think it works. Does it?
Oh, it's scary. Do you see that like shadow? It's cool. It's like the sand. Shadow of the sand.
Does it work?
Maybe that's not that perfect,
A little
but
crap.
yeah, it's really hard to remove it. Try to make it. And maybe next time when we're gonna try making this, we'll be able to make it nicely and perfectly.
There you go.
So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Learn something from our video today.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.